As a design tool, we're going to use the tools from sumopaint.com, which is the image editor that we're using, a free image editor on the internet. And we're going to make a design that will fit into the presentation that you're going to be doing. There's a couple different reasons you would have a background as a design. One is to distinguish that it's your work. The other is as a navigational tool. So when you have that design, the students know that they're on the correct unit. So what we're going to do to build a background, we're going to go to New Image, and we're going to use the Gradient Fill tool. And you have a linear, linear reflected, linear repeated, radial, radial reflected. You have all these different selections. Now, for the slide before, I used the linear, and there we have it. It's over. Something as simple as that, and then you use this for every one of them. This is a dramatic background, and for a dramatic background, you would expect that the material would be somber, serious, reflective. This type of background gives you a learning environment that slows the learners down. They'll go at a much slower pace. They won't be expecting interactives or bells or whistles. They'll be expecting a discussion. They'll be expecting a serious subject, and they won't be expecting as many interactive activities, but it would lead them to the idea that they're supposed to be discussing something. So let's, for the fun of it, use another tool. This is one of my favorites. Now, when you do your background, you have to consider where the text would be, because the background is going to affect how the learner can see it. I'm going to use a yellow for my text. So what you see is right here, it's lost. So you would always have to, when you're using a dark color like this, decide where your text would be. The other consideration when you use something like this is this yellow print, unless they print it out in color, if they print it out black and white, they may not be able to see this. So white won't print. So keep in mind when you do those kinds of things. And we're done. Let's go on to the next section.